Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, location of my device is now disabled. If you wish to enable it, tap on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then manage location by tapping on this switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!